Good afternoon, student of class 10. We already have started the chapter quadratic equation. Now, today we are going to find out the value of a expression quadratic equation by using the formula. You know the formula x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is the formula. Like math number 1 is given x square minus 6x minus 27 equal to 0. Now here a means 1, b means minus 6, c means minus 27. Now we have to find out the value of x by using the formula. So x equal to minus b, that means minus 6, that means plus 6. b square, that means minus 6 square, minus 4ac, 4a means 1, c means minus 27, by 2a means 2 into 1. So that becomes 36 minus plus 108 by 2 into 1 2. So 6 plus minus root over 144 by 2. That means 6 plus minus 12 by 2. So I can write that answer is 6 plus 12 by 2 and 6 minus 12 by 2. So that becomes 9 comma minus 3. Using that formula you have to find out the value. But before finding out the formula, you have to arrange the equation like a quadratic equation. Then you can solve. Like here, math is first you have to arrange them as a quadratic equation, otherwise you are not able to solve. So here LCM is x minus 2, x minus 4, that is 10 by 3. X minus 1 into x minus 4, x minus 3 into x minus 2. By 3, or so x square 5x 7x 3x, that is 2x square, that is minus 10x, 4 plus 6, that is 10, x square minus 6x plus 8 equal to 10 by 3. Or I can write cross multiply, so that becomes 6x square 30x plus 30, that is 10x square minus 60x plus 8 plus 80. You can see it. Or I can write I am arranging all the term in one side, so that become 4x square minus 30x plus 50 equal to 0. Now I am dividing all the term by 2, so that become 2x square minus 15x plus 25 equal to 0. Now it become a quadratic equation. Now minus b, that means b is minus 15, so minus minus plus 15 plus minus b square minus 4ac, so minus 15 square minus 4a means 2, c means 25 by 2a, so 15 plus minus 15 square means 225 minus 200, and that is 4. So I got 15 plus minus 125, sorry, not 125, only 25 by 4, so 15, 25 means 5 by 4, so I got 20 by 4 is, one answer is 20 by 4, one answer is 10 by 4, that means 5 comma 5 by 2. These are the two answers. Like I am going to solve math number 3. Answer is given like math number 4x square minus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Find the value of x. First, b, a is 4, b is minus 5, c is minus 3. So first minus b, and before the formula there is a minus, so that become plus. B square, that means minus 5 square, minus 4a means 4, c means minus 3 by 2a, that means 25 plus, because minus minus plus 48. Now 5 plus minus 25 plus 48 is how much? (73 by 8). Now you have to find out the value of 73 up to 2 decimal according to the math. Maybe there will be a table given, otherwise you have to find out the value of 73 up to 2 decimal by using the division method. You know the division method. One 165 into 5 is how much? 825. So there will be 5. (75) against our 0. So 85 double is 170. Now what you can give here? If I again give 5 I think that will be greater than that. So I can't give there 5, there will be 4. You don't have to subtract because you have already got the answer of 2 decimals. 8.54. 8.54. Now you can put the value here. 5 plus minus 8.54 by 8. So one answer you got 13.54 by 8. One answer is 5 minus 8, that means minus 3.54 by 8. There is the 2 answer. You understand the math, I think. If you have any problem related to these things, this chapter is almost complete. All maths are like that, similar. If you have any problem regarding this chapter, okay, I am solving others math from exercise 5A. There is a math like math number 5. There is a equation 2x square minus mx minus 25n equal to 0. It is said m plus 5 is 0, n minus 1 is 0. Find the solution means you have to find the value of x. Now I know that x equal to minus b, that means here m, plus minus root over b square, that means m square, minus 4ac, a means 2, c means minus 25, so that become plus 25. By 2a, that means I can write 2 into 2, 4. So I got m plus minus m square plus 200m by 4. M plus 5 is 0, that means m equal to minus 5. So I can put the value here, m equal to minus 5 plus minus. Here minus 5 square means 25. N equal to minus 1, so the value of n is 1, so that becomes 200. So I got minus 5 plus minus 25 plus 200, 2 to 5, and root over is 15. So I got two answers, minus 5 plus 15 by 4. Another answer is minus 5 minus 15 by 4. That is 10 by 4, and that is minus 20 by 4. This is the two answer. In this way you have to solve the maths. All the maths are similar. Try to understand this chapter. We have to move the next chapter in the next class. Thank you.